my fellow colleagues, Dr. Nabi sir, head of the department CSE, and the branch counselor Marthi Rao sir, and Signal Processing Society advisor, faculty advisor, Dr. Sandeep Kumar sir, Women in Engineering faculty advisor Surekha madam, and my dear students, and the resource person of today's workshop, Professor K. Narasimha sir, and my dear students, very good evening. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the IEEE branch students and the participants for taking active part, for initiating such a beautiful event, a workshop, a 5 days workshop or a project kind of thing on Cisco Packet Tracer. Hope you are all aware that the Narasimha sir is a certified Cisco trainer. That is a great thing to say us, and I'm sure that in the coming days he is going to train all these students, particularly on the CCNA in this domain, and which will be helpful for all the second year, third year, and final year students, both EC and CSE. If you focus in this area, there will be a lot of opportunity. And in our other way, one or other way, this particular workshop is going to help you to take up some mini project kind of thing, maybe during the summer vacation, maybe in your third year or final year. Hope all the students attend this session and try to get benefit out of it. So I thank the branch counselor Marthi Rao sir, and the principal sir, and the faculty advisors for Signal Processing Society, and the Women in Engineering, Dr. Sandeep Kumar sir and Surekha madam, and the IEEE student branch chair Srija Reddy, and my dear students, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing the valuable words. And with your warm regards and blessings, hope this workshop becomes a successful one. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to welcome Signal Processing Society faculty advisor, Dr. Sandeep, sir. Sandeep, sir.
Yeah, very good evening all. First of all, I'm praying to God everyone is doing well in this pandemic situation, and I congratulations to all the students, those who did a really excellent work in this pandemic situation, and they organized this 5-day workshop. So my best wishes to everyone, and for the future, we will complete this workshop in a excellent and in a systematic way, so that all the students they will know about the industrial point of view, what are the concepts, what are the studies we have in CCNA. So hope so everyone will enjoy this session, because Narasimha sir has already, Srinivas sir, he already mentioned that he is a certified trainer. So hope so all of you will learn a lot of things from the professor Narasimha sir, right? So from my side, at last, my best wishes to everyone. All of you be safe and kindly enjoy these sessions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the heartwarming words. Thank you, sir. Hope we will do our best and make this workshop a successful one. Thank you, sir. Now I request Professor Narasimha sir to start the session. Sir, please start the session, sir.
Okay, Nana. So thank you for the opportunity, and so good evening to everybody. So respected dignitaries, so HOD sir, Srinivas sir, and Signal Processing Society Chairman Dr. Sandeep sir, and Surekha madam, and our principal sir. So everybody and my dear students. So welcome to the 5-day show workshop on projects on Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so here, so I see that most of the students, so they are coming from EC and so CSE. So no issues. So your background is not only CSE, even the mechanical and civil also. So if people are going to learn the real time concerns regarding the networking. Okay, so this is what I'm going to tell. So in the introduction part of the Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so why we are going to start this session with the Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so I think you people have heard about the company name called Cisco. Okay, is it right? Yes, someone can respond. You people heard about the company called Cisco. Okay, so it's a company as well as organization as well as a manufacturing unit. So they are going to hold the entire world. They are going to facilitate networking components, which is nothing but networking devices. Okay, suppose where did you see this Cisco? The term means, okay, the entire world, okay, they are going to use the Cisco resources. Okay, so they has to what you call interact with kinds of switches, okay, routers. Okay, so how the way they are going to be so communicated the whole world with the help of the Cisco devices. Okay, so the name it seems it should be a what you call a part of San Francisco. Okay, so మీ అందరికి తెలిసి ఉంటుందమ్మా స్టేట్, సో దట్ should be in US, San Francisco. Okay, so from that they have what you call use the last what you call 6 words, the last 5 words, and they put the name as Cisco. Okay, so from that onwards, okay, this company is what you call started like and growing like anything. So even though they have what you call providing so many more resources to the customers of their clients. Okay, so they are going to provide the equipments for the small organizations and very big organizations and even the home organizations also. Okay, so first of all we are going to talk about, okay, so what is Packet Tracer? Somebody can what you call, is it visible to my screen? Nidhi, can I check out ma? So my screen is visible to you?
No, sir.
Oh, 1 second. Nana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it visible right now?
Now it's visible.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to focus on, okay, so introduction of Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so with this software, so what we are going to do? So basically, so the purpose of this to conduct a 5-day workshop is, okay, so to mean that we are going to focus on so mini and major projects. So after completion of these projects, people are okay, so after what you call, so knowing about so most of the parameters and most of the routing algorithms. Okay, so now you people are able to what you call configure so various kinds of network designs so as per the requirements. Okay, so that we are going to focus from today onwards. So as a introductory part, okay, so today are going to know about what is this Packet Tracer. Okay, so what we are going to do with the help of this simulation tool. Okay, so I'm going to notify that it is a simulation tool. Okay, simulation tool. So why you are going to use this simulation tool is, okay, so if you take any of the organization, suppose see our just take our college only. So think that our college is established newly. Okay, so we are having various branches like ECE, CSE, mechanical and civil. By day by day or every day, you people are you just always go to the labs and you're going to do your the experiments with the help of the systems or with the help of some other hardware equipments also. Okay, when you go to the computer labs, all the pieces they are going to be arranged in a proper manner. Okay, if you go to any one of the lab means you're going to find nearly 60 pieces. Okay, so like that we are having a good amount of infrastructure in our college. Okay, nearly 11 to 12 number of labs it should be there in our Shreyas college. So nearly, so it is going to hold nearly 2000 pieces in our college. Okay, how these 2000 pieces which are connected in a network. Okay, so that is what the challenge in any of the networking so environment. Okay, so not only our college, so ఇప్పుడు మీ ఇల్లు తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, సో సపోజ్ మీకు ఒక ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉండొచ్చు, మీ ఫాదర్కి ఒక ల్యాప్టాప్, మీ బ్రదర్కి ఒక ల్యాప్టాప్. ఓకే, యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు హోల్డ్ సమ్ లేజర్ లైన్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ యాక్ట్ ఫైబర్ నెట్. ఓకే, సో మీరేం చేస్తారు, యాక్ట్ ఫైబర్ నెట్ లేజర్ లైన్ తీసుకొని సో ఈ పీపుల్ ఆర్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు ద ఇంటర్నెట్. ఓకే, అట్ ఏ టైమ్ ఈ పీపుల్ ఆర్ going to connect your father, your brother, and yourself also. Okay, with the help of a wireless router. Okay, so like that, what happened? There should be a network has been formed in your home. Okay, so by the meanwhile, the same network which is going to be formed in the even our Shreyas College. So not only Shreyas College, the entire world. Okay, so wherever there are one or more number of the systems or the file sharing devices, okay, so they are connected means, okay, we can call a network. Okay, we can call a network. Okay, so that is the reason why if you are going to establish any particular network in any organization means, okay, so blindly we could not so do what we are going to do is we can arrange in a proper manner, and we could not we are not in a position to provide a proper cabling between the each and every system. So it could not be like that. Okay, we need to focus on very particularly one PC to the last PC of the organization. Okay, so then how we are going to form all these configurations means, okay, so we need to follow the Cisco packet tracer instructions. Okay, how they are going to use. Okay, so please wait. I'm going to open OneNote and I will share you. Yeah. First of all, I'm going to provide the definition of the network or networking. Okay, so what about the definition of network or networking means? One or more number of PCs, one or more number of, so what we are going to call in PC or in node, okay, or host, okay, whatever it is, all the meaning are same. PC means personal computer, we can call laptop, okay, node, okay, a node is nothing but a file sharing device, or we are going to call a host. Okay, all the meaning are same. Okay, one or more number of PCs or nodes or hosts are connected in a are connected with respect to each other. Respect to each other means every node is connected with every other node in a network. Okay, so this is called my networking. Okay, so initially how does I'm going to provide the the architecture of networking is like this. So please wait. Yeah, so think that, so this is one PC, so this is another PC. Okay, so I'm having one more PC. Okay, so this is my first PC, this is my second PC, and this is my third PC. Okay, and then how I'm going to connect all these machines means with the help of the cables. Okay, which kind of cables that we are going to use here itself is twisted pair coaxial cables. Twisted pair coaxial cables. Okay, so in order to form a network, all the machines which will used by the a physical transmission medium as twisted pair coaxial cable. Okay, actually its name is UTP. Okay, unshielded twisted pair coaxial cable. Okay, I have written in a short form twisted pair coaxial cable, but its real name is UTP. Okay, unshielded twisted pair coaxial cable. So between the every PC. So see here, I have connected my connection from 1 to 2 as well as 2 to 3 and 1 to 3 also. Now all these machines are in a one particular network. Okay, so see that now network has been formed. Okay, what I am going to do is I am going to share my data. The purpose of networking is to share the information. Okay, to share the information without sharing. So what is the necessity of networking? So there is nothing but waste of efforts as well as waste of cost also. Okay, so that is the reason why if the one or more number of devices are connected in a network means, so these devices are okay, so freely communicated. Okay, so which is going to share some resources. Okay, what kind of resources we are going to share is we can share a text. Okay, so you people just know, and we can share a audio files. Okay, and you can share a video files. You can share a video files, or you can share any of the web pages and anything else. Okay, not only the purpose of text to audio, video, some web pages. Okay, even though now you people are in a position, okay, to access the resources from, okay, so system 1 to system 2. అంటే మీరు ఏం చేయొచ్చు, మీరు system 1 లో ఉండి మీరు PC1 లో అండి, PC2ను కూడా మీరు ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే మీ కంట్రోల్ తెచ్చుకొని యూ కెన్ యాక్సెస్, ఓకే, వాట్స్ రియలీ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ డివైస్ యూ కెన్ సీ డైరెక్ట్లీ. ఓకే, సపోజ్ మీరు ఇక్కడ PC1 వచ్చేసి సపోజ్ మన శ్రేయస్ కాలేజ్ ఉందనుకోండి, సో సమ్ PC3 వచ్చేసిన సమ్ JNTU కాలేజ్లో ఉంది, సమ్ PC2 వచ్చేసి సమ్ అదర్ కాలేజ్ లైక్ CBIT కాలేజ్లో ఉందనుకోండి. ఓకే, సపోజ్ దే షుడ్ బి సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ with respect to the CBIT PC. Okay, you people are sitting at Shreyas. Okay, what you can do is, you people are sitting in Shreyas and directly you are going to access the PC of CBIT with the help of what you call remote login or remote location, okay, protocols, remote login as well as remote desktop protocols. Okay, so వీటిని ఏమంటారంటున్నానా, so sitting on one location, accessing the other devices. Okay, suppose you are going to access CBIT system means you can take the data from CBIT to Shreyas. Okay, by the same way you are going to troubleshoot, okay, the necessary parameters in the CBIT college, like that. Suppose see that now you are accessing the JNTU PC. Okay, so JNTU PC ki, so any of the user, they can give you the what you call permissions to you directly? No. Okay, if you are the authorized persons means he is going to provide some what you call so privileges, so based on that you are going to access, or else, okay, so you could not what you call able to do anything regarding the so JNTU-H. As a JNTU-H to Shreyas, you can share your information. By the same way you are going to access some information with the help of the JNTU to Shreyas. Okay, so this is called remote. This is not logic, this is called login, Nana. So sorry for the vertical spelling. Yeah. Okay, so if people are heard about the tool like Teamweaver, మీరంతా తెలిసే ఉంటుంది అన్న, Teamweaver అనే ఒక టూల్ మీకు అంతా తెలిసే ఉంటుంది. Yeah, so Teamweaver is so one tool to access the information, or else we have another tool that is called AnyDesk. Okay, so or else we can use, okay, VMware tools, okay, to access the PCs with the help of remote login. Okay, so like this we are going to do with the vertical help of the networking. Okay, so see that there is no cables between the each and every station means, okay, so not only you could not establish a proper communication between the so one PC to the another PC, by the meanwhile another PC to the some other PCs also. Okay, so that's why there are one or more number of PCs, okay, which are connected with respect to each other means, okay, so these communication devices which can share their resources. Okay, which kind of resources they are going to share is, I said about text, audio, video and etc. Okay, so this is what you call the basic environment we are going to see. Okay, suppose if I am going to start, so please wait. Okay, suppose I am going to establish what you call a new organization. Okay, if I am going to establish a new organization which is going to hold 20 pieces, please wait. Yeah, which is going to hold 20 pieces. Okay, 20 pieces నేను ఇక్కడ హోల్డ్ చేసుకున్నాను అన్నమా. Okay, so what I can do with 20 pieces means I can arrange them like this. Please wait. Yeah, so think that, so this is my organization, so this is the way I'm going to what you call segregate all the pieces. Okay, or else, so this is one PC. Okay, so here it is another PC, so think that he is the manager of this organization and he is what you call the subordinate under him, and we are having some what you call 18 pieces. Okay, so 18 pieces in the sense, okay, 18 members are working and 2 are the so managerial levels. Okay, manager levels, and we are having like some other pieces like this. Okay, so manakenti ee pieces ani ila connect ayinama. Okay, then how we are going to what you call form a network so between the each and every device, so that is what a complex task. Okay na, so ikkada em chesam మనం ikkada, so 3 pieces ni connect cheyadam chaala easy ga chesanu, but in real time I want to form a network for 20 pieces. Okay, it is what you call somewhat complex. Why it is somewhat complex means, manager he is sitting at one location, subordinate he is going to sitting at another location. Okay, remaining 18 people are sitting at what you call various locations in the same organization. సో కొంతమంది ఏంటి ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ లో ఉండొచ్చు, కొంతమంది సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ లో ఉండొచ్చు, కొంతమంది ఈవెన్ థర్డ్ ఫ్లోర్ లో కూడా ఉండొచ్చు అనమాట. Okay, so these many number of floors, how I'm going to manage the hardware. Okay, so that is what a main challenge. Okay, so see that, so providing a network between the all the number of the PCs is nothing but so simply connecting with the help of the wire. ఓకే, సో మీరేమనుకుంటారు నెట్వర్కింగ్ అంటే ఒక పీసీని ఇంకొక పీసీతో సో జాయిన్ చేస్తే మనం డేటా షేర్ చేయొచ్చు అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో దట్ నెవర్. ఓకే, దట్ కుడ్ నాట్ బి పాసిబుల్. Okay, that could not be possible. So then how the connections that you are going to provide is in a real time means, so one PC which will connect to the any of the intermediate device. Okay, any of the intermediate device. So think that this is PC1, PC2, both the PCs are not connected directly. Think that this is the PC1 and this is my PC2. Okay, first of all, PC1 is connected to the intermediate device. Okay, this particular connection which will be extended towards the PC2. Okay, in our real time you are going to see so this kind of environments. And what about this intermediate device? So this is called my router. దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటామా router అంటాను, or else I am going to call it is a switch. Okay, so what happens without the router and switch? Can't we be able to communicate the data from one end to another end means? Not at all. Okay, in order to form a network means, okay, so these intermediate devices are mandatory. Okay, so formation of network, okay, so that is not okay, so that much easy. Okay, so here we can interact with the Cisco packet tracer. Everything should be done with the help of, okay, in the very easiest manner. Okay, everything should be in the done in the form of very easiest manner. Okay, so see that you're going to observe so many tools available in the Cisco packet tracer. Someone can respond. Are you what you call getting my screen, Cisco packet tracer screen? Please, someone can respond. Srinidhi, are you getting my screen? I have opened that Cisco packet tracer. Yeah. Okay, so so basically, so we are having a workspace area. The blank screen you are what you call you're seeing here is a what you call workspace area. Okay, so till I did not what you call form any of the network. Okay, so here at the bottom of the page, at the bottom of the what you call tool, you can find about. So see here, it is a networking device. When I'm going to what you call place my cursor here, networking devices. When you're going to press in the so left hand side, so there is some networking devices. The first one is router, the second one is switch, the third one is hub. Okay, the fourth one is wireless device, the fifth one is some security device like firewall, and this is called WAN. Okay, so మీకు తెలిసే ఉంటుందన్న WAN అంటే. Okay, so that I'm going to what you call convey later. Yeah. Okay, so afterwards there is another tool. Okay, if you are going to navigate that, you are going to what you call see about PC here, laptop here, server here, web server here, printer, IP phone, VoIP phone, normal phone, television, everything will be so there it seems. Aims are even any symbol laga unnai. So will they work in a real time? Okay, so this is nothing but a what you call a simulation tool. A TV cannot be visible here. If I am going to drag a TV and if I'm going to play something means it could not be open. Okay, we are going to form a network. Okay, so from my what you call PC to the TV. So that is what the concern here. Okay, so before going to what you call so provide infrastructure for the any of the organization, so what the designer peoples what they are going to do is, so they can design a network, okay, with the help of the Cisco packet tracer. First of all, they are going to what you call form a network here. Okay, if the network is fully completed, then you are going to start what you call purchasing the devices, purchasing the PCs, and purchasing the licensing softwares. So purchasing some of the security antiviruses, everything. Okay, and according to the way we have done here, the same manner they are going to what you call do in the real time. Okay, so this particular packet tracer tool helpful for you to do as they said mini project as well as a major project. Okay, and this particular tool also, okay, which will be helpful to research something new about with the help of the existing protocols. Okay, man konni protocols unnayama, I will share you. Okay, so with their existing existing protocols. Okay, now we people are so research something like new, and we are going to establish some new rules for that, new type of coding for that. So based on that, this particular existing tool, okay, which will be helpful to do a research in our after the BTech or after your MTech, once you should join PhD also. So this particular packet test will be very helpful. Okay, so our main intention is, okay, so to provide projects on this. Okay, so projects అనగానే మీ అందరికీ ఈ టూల్ ఉపయోగించి ఏం ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తామని మీకు డౌట్ వచ్చినాను. Okay, so before that I will show you something. Okay, so before going to start about the actual practical session, I will show you something, so please wait. Already have created some gathered some information regarding this. Yeah, so just I am opening the smart home. Yes, you can see. Please wait for a while, ma. So it is loading that. Yeah, so see here. Okay, so before that nothing is there. Now I have opened a smart home. Okay, what does the meaning of smart home means? In the smart home, each and every device is IoT enabled. Each and every device is IoT enabled. So what does the meaning of IoT enabled means? So ఇప్పుడైతే మనం ఈ రోజుల్లో అయితే ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటామన్నా, డోర్ని ఏం చేయాలి, మనం ఫిజికల్గా మనమే ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. సో లాక్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి, సో డోర్ని మనమే మూవ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, దాంతోపాటు విండోస్ కూడా మనమే ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో నవేడేస్ అయితే మనకేంటి, ఫ్యాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దాంతోపాటు సమ్ బల్బ్స్ లైక్ సెన్సార్ బల్బ్స్, వాటితో పాటు ఎయిర్ కండిషనర్స్. సో కొన్ని డివైజెస్ మాత్రం మనకి ఏంటంటే IoT enabled. సో విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు navigate all those things. Okay, so by the year of 2025, okay, 2025 ఎంతో దూరం లేదన్నా. సో కోవిడ్ వల్ల ఏమైందంటే it has been disturbed. By the year of 2025, okay, the IoT market, so when you're going to purchase any of the IoT device means, okay, so there you are going to find nearly 20 billion IoT devices. 20 billion IoT devices అంటే మనకి ఇప్పుడంటే మార్కెట్లో ఓన్లీ ఫ్యూ ఉన్నాయమ్మా. 2025 నాటికి ఆల్మోస్ట్ ద ఎంటైర్ వరల్డ్, ఓకే, సో విచ్ ఈస్ they are going to manufacture 20 billions of the smart home things. Not only about the smart home things, okay, now coming days, all the cities, all the villages, like smart villages as well as smart cities, they are going to call. Okay, so what does that meaning is, you don't want to open the door, okay, with the help of a physical hands. Okay, you don't want to switch on the you don't want to switch on the tube lights and fans, even ACs. Okay, so once you go there and switch it on, lot like that. Okay, so by taking the mobile phone, by taking the tablet, okay, you can so directly navigate all those things. Okay, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, నేనేం చేయాలి, ఫ్యాన్ ఆన్ చేయాలమ్మా. సో ఫ్యాన్ ఆన్ చేయాలంటే నాకేం కావాలి, ఇక్కడ నేను ఇక్కడ స్విచ్ లొకేషన్ దగ్గరికి పోవాలి, స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో నా దగ్గర స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్ ఉంది, IoT device రెడీగా ఉందనుకోండి, no need to go there and I'm going to switch on the fan or light or some other ACs. Okay, I'm going to sit in one location in my home. So simply I'm going to switch on my fan or something like that. Okay, so when I'm going to just I will show you. So you people are okay, so please wait a minute. Yeah, see that? Okay, so
Narsimha
this is my
sir,
home.
Good evening, Narsimha sir.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute break, sir. The great thing is that principal sir has joined the session.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Okay,
Now
okay,
I request Srija Reddy, IEEE Student Branch Chair, to invite our principal sir. Srija, over to you. Srija.
Srinidhi, just welcome principal sir.
Nidhi.
Good evening, sir. I heartily welcome Principal Dr. Satyanarayana, sir. Sir, I request Principal Sir to speak few words.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, EC, head of the department, and Professor Narsimlu, and the huge gathering of students. I never expected so many students are participating in this Cisco Tracer. I'm really very happy to see all of you, and I'm very sorry because I not joined in time because of sudden power cut, and also my inverter got this thing, and so that's the reason I got disconnected. Anyway, thank you for inviting me to be part of this workshop for the students. And the certified trainer, Professor Nasimlu, is well known and is very good, versatile, and very certified person in Cisco, and in and out of Cisco. And especially this tracer got a lot of benefits. He's talking about you can see ABC. When I heard about he's talking about Shreyas and CBIT and other colleges interaction, and how you can take control over other systems. That time I joined actually, and this is how actually these all working from home, students, the employers are doing same thing. Okay, so it is all the system which is they're given, laptops or desktops which they are given is controlled by the remote people. Okay, now how it is happening, because remotely employees are working at home, work from home, and all these system, what they are doing in the system will be known to them. Okay, that is how it is happening, work from home. Okay, it's not completely, it's not dedicated to you, and it's not secret. Nothing is secret when you are connected to network in this world, right? So everything is open. Okay, even if you switch off also, almost if you don't on any your device also, it will your artificial intelligence and machine learning will understand what you are talking, and it will show whatever the you see in the Amazon web, AWS. Okay, so if you discuss something about anything, and that same thing will be shown in the next screen. That is how it is happening. So this is very much beneficial because it's basically providing free multi-user environments, and also it's learning is very easier, and realistic simulations and visualizations environment for the exploration is very good, and this is really helpful to the students and also faculty in the network world for teaching and learning and networking concepts and technologies. And also this really a lot of benefits in this for the students, because they will be learning visualization environment for the design, and also allows the practice outside the physical classrooms and labs, and provides a rich learning environment beyond the standard networking technology. Okay, these are the very much important, I think, takeaway, I guess, in this Cisco Tracer, and definitely our faculty Nasimulu is expert in this, and definitely he will take you to this complete learning journey. And all of you please attend regularly and get sound knowledge in this area. Okay, I hope Narsimlu sir will definitely will tell you all these things, and all the participants. Really, I'm very happy to see all of you, and happy learning. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Principal Sir, for your valuable suggestions. So definitely we are going to extend this particular session so up to the next level. So thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Okay. Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay. So as I said of that, okay, so nearly by the year of 2025, so 20 billion IoT devices available for this, what you call, for you just take what you call any hospital, you just take any of the power grid, just take any of the organization, corporate sector, everywhere. Okay, we can see about IoT devices only. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, the smart cities are okay, so building by Cisco. Okay, so why I have taken this example, I will show you. So practically, okay, so this project is developing by Cisco. Okay, when the Modi has been announced in the year of 2015 or 2016, so smart cities. Okay, at the time onwards, already the smart cities are already what you call under construction. Okay, so there are very few number of IoT devices at the time. Okay, now it is moving towards the next generation. Okay, so see that it's like a what you call a basic a home, okay, which is having a smart door here. Okay, so there should be some sofa, there should be some smoke detector, something which is going to be fired with help with some what you call electrical shocks or short circuits, some other thing means, okay, automatically the windows as well as smart door which is going to be so opened. Okay, so even you're going to what you call make some coffee with the help of the smart coffee cook, that is nothing but maker also. Okay, you're going to turn on your TV with the help of the remote. The remote is mobile only. Okay, even you're going to turn on your fan also. Okay, and the image, okay, we have some please wait. Yeah, it is not moving. Yeah, so see that. Okay, so from the outside the home we have some a garage door to park our so cars. Okay, so there should be some sprinklers. Okay, it is going to gardener. Okay, so gardening the grass, so vertical for entire the outside area regarding the home. Okay, and even you are going to vertical monitor some security issues with the help of the so CCTV also. Okay, so for the smart home means, okay, you need power supply from so transmission lines. Okay, in order to avoid that original transmission line. Okay, now people are what you call you know that already. Okay, so we have some solar energy, we have some solar panels. Okay, so the solar panels which is going to take the energy from the sun. Okay, which is going to charge the batteries. Okay, it is going to be ready for what you call, not about all the devices, very few devices like fans, okay, some TV, some lights. Okay, if you are going to provide this solar energy to the ACs as well as some other high consumption devices means it doesn't works. Okay, it will works, but we need to what you call take an extra wattage. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is the real Cisco packet Cisco. Okay, so they're going to develop smart homes. Okay, so by the end of 2025 you people are going to see about so this particular. Okay, so already this particular design is already done by the Cisco. Okay, I have what you call got this, and I have designed some of the this what you call web surveillance. Okay, so that I'm going to conclude on the last day. Okay, first of all, okay, so how does this particular this particular smart home which is going to works. Okay, so when I'm going to what you call enter to the home, okay, I want to what you call open the door. Okay, how I'm going to open the door means, okay, obviously with the help of my smartphone. Okay, see that the smartphone is here and the tablet is here. When I'm going to open the smartphone, okay, so see that, okay, there should be option called desktop. Okay, simply just go to the desktop, so come down. Okay, and so one thing is there that is called IoT monitor. Okay, IoT monitor, when you click on that, okay, so it will open all the features. మీకు స్మార్ట్ మొబైల్స్ లో మీకు ఏదైనా ఒక అప్లికేషన్స్ మీరు ఏ విధంగా ఓపెన్ చేస్తారో, సో సిమిలర్ వే going to open the what you call the smart things. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the door. Okay, so first of all, see that now the door is in what you call unlock mode only. ఇక్కడ మీకు చూడండి అమ్మా, మీకు డోర్ మీకు ఇక్కడ గ్రీన్ సింబల్ తో కనిపిస్తుంది. Okay, so when you are going to lock, okay, see that the status of the door. ఏమైంది ఇక్కడ, అంత ముందాక మనకు గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు ఏమైందన్నా ద డోర్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ లాక్డ్. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ సిమ్యులేషన్ టూల్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ లైక్ వాట్ యు కాల్ an image which is going to be change the state from a lock to unlock state. ఓకే, డోర్ లాక్ ఏంటి సార్, డోర్ ఓపెన్ అనేది మీరు అనుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. నో. ఓకే, సో ఆల్రెడీ దట్ వాట్ యు కాల్ దిస్ డోర్స్ దిస్ ఆల్రెడీ మీకు తెలిసే ఉంటుంది అన్న. ఓకే, మనం ఏదైనా హోటల్స్కి వెళ్ళామనుకోండి, ఓకే, RFID ట్యాగ్స్ తో మనకు ఉంటాయి అనమాట. RFID ట్యాగ్ ని మనం అక్కడ జస్ట్ పెట్టేసామనుకోండి, ఆటోమేటిక్ ద డోర్ విల్ బి ఓపెన్. సో RFID what you call door locking system is that is third generation. Okay, now we are in fourth and fifth generation. Okay, everything should be with the help of smartphone only. Okay, నేను లోపలికి ఎంటర్ అయినా. ఓకే, లోపలికి ఎంటర్ అయిన తర్వాత what you call I want to switch on the fan. Okay, so by the same way I should navigate what you call a fan. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యాన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూడండి. ఎస్, ఓకే, సో మనకేంటి ఫ్యాన్ లో ఓకేనా, లో ద ఫ్యాన్ వీస్ వర్టికల్, సో తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో మనకేంటి ఇక్కడ దే షుడ్ బి ఏ వర్టికల్, సో 3 to 5 points విల్ బి దేర్. ఓకే, ఐ వాంట్ హై ఫ్లో మీన్స్, ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సెట్, ఒకసారి చూడండి, వెన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సెట్ ద హై ఫ్లో, సీ దట్ అంతకుముందు మనకేంటి, సో నథింగ్. మీరు ఫ్యాన్ ని గమనించారంటే చూడండి, నేను ఫ్యాన్ ఆపేస్తాను ఇక్కడ. సో నథింగ్. ఓకే, సో దేర్ ఇస్ నో వర్టికల్ ఏమంటారు అనే వీటిని, సో వీల్స్ ఇక్కడ, సో దే ఆర్ నాట్ వర్టికల్, సో మూవింగ్. when I'm going to what you call turn on the fan with high flow means, okay, automatically, so these are, okay, it is going to vertical shows like this. Okay, now I am going to what you call switch on my bed light. Okay, so before going to the sleep I need to switch on the bed light. Okay, so please wait. Yeah, that is called smart lamp. Okay, if I am going to what you call switch on my bed lamp means automatically this particular light is on. Okay, so like that every device is, okay, IoT enabled. Every device is IoT enabled. Okay, even I am going to, so see here, so this particular sprinkler which is going to, okay, so spray the water, okay, so in the gardening area. Okay, so after that what happens, the gardening has been, okay, so utilized by the most of the water. Now I want to turn off these sprinklers. Okay, so how I am going to turn off, I will show you. Yeah, please wait. Yeah, smart sprinklers. Okay, now on nana. Now I am going to switch off that. So see that automatically this sprinklers has been vertical, so stop vertical spraying about the water. Okay, now I want to vertical open the garage door and I am going to vertical park my car in the garage door. Okay, so see that. Yeah, so see here, actually garage door in opposition, that is nothing but closed manner. When I'm going to vertical press on this button means automatically the door will be open. So now I am in a position to park my vehicle in my vertical garage door also. Okay, so like this there should be many number of features. Ipudu chudandi akkada IoT monitor tho em chesanu ikkada. So simply I am going to navigate, but what's happening, I am sitting here, my car is at, okay, so outside my garage door is already open. ఓకే, కార్ దానికైతే పార్క్ అవుతున్నానా. సో ఫ్యూచర్లో మనకేంటి, సో అన్ని డ్రైవర్లెస్ కార్స్ కాబట్టి నేను జస్ట్ కార్ నేను ఇక్కడ గేట్ ముందు పెట్టేసి నేను డైరెక్ట్గా నేను లోపలికి వెళ్ళి విత్ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫోన్ automatically I'm going to vertical, so park my car in my vertical, so garage also. Okay, so that is called driverless cars. So that we are going to see in the future. Okay, so that's why, so this is called my smart home. So see that, so manakenti ikkada, so with the help of solar panels there should be a battery. సో మనం ఏంటి జస్ట్ రీసెంట్గా మనం ఇక్కడ ఈ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసాం కాబట్టి నాన్న, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఛార్జింగ్, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ఛార్జ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఫ్యూ మూమెంట్స్. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఛార్జింగ్. Okay, so this is called a general smart home. Okay, how this smart home is connected to the external world, so that is the main challenge. Okay, how this smart home which is going to be connected to the external world. Okay, so that when I'm going to open the internet connection, okay, you people are, you're going to see about internet connection is there. When you're going to press enter means, okay, so there should be another network. Internet network, there should be a cloud, that is nothing but internet service provider cloud. There should be a smart grid, there should be a what you call the cell towers that could be used by the 4G as well as 5G networks. There should be a offices, there should be a smart parking, there should be a smart traffic. Okay, so like that we are having so many options. Endukante entire city lo manam okate unnam kada, so kabatti we should be connected to the entire city. Okay, see that యాక్చువల్గా మా ఇంటికి ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ మనం చూసిన స్మార్ట్ సిటీకి పవర్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుందంటే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ స్మార్ట్ గ్రిడ్. ఓకే, సో సీ దట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్మార్ట్ గ్రిడ్. ఓకే, మీరు ఇక్కడ స్మార్ట్ గ్రిడ్ ని చూసారంటున్నా ఇలా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, సో యాక్చువల్గా మీకు తెలిసే ఉంటుంది పవర్ జనరేషన్ యూనిట్ అనమాట. సో విత్ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ద కోల్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు జనరేట్ ద ట్రాన్స్మిషన్. ఓకే, అండ్ హౌ డస్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ ద ఎనర్జీ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ద సన్. ఓకే, సో వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ ద ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ ఫర్ ద కన్స్యూమర్స్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద వే. ఓకే, సో మన ఫ్యూచర్లో కూడా మనకి ఏంటంటే సోలార్ ఎనర్జీని మ్యాక్సిమం కన్జ్యూమ్ చేసుకొని దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు జనరేట్ ద పవర్ ఆల్సో. ఇప్పుడు మనకేంటి విండ్ టర్బైన్స్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. ఓకే, బై యూజింగ్ ద వర్టికల్ విండ్ టర్బైన్స్ ఆల్సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు జనరేట్ వెరీ లెస్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ పవర్. Okay, so these are nothing but various concerns that we are going to generate the vertical transmission. Okay, మీరు వన్స్ పవర్ గ్రిడ్ వెళ్ళండి. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ సీ అబౌట్ vertical a network over there. There should be a power IoT server. ఓకే, సో ఏ ఇంటి నుంచి ఏ ఇంటికి నేను పవర్ ఇవ్వాలి, ఏ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ నేను పవర్ కట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీ డేటా విచ్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ ద vertical stored in the IoT server. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నేను IoT సర్వర్ని ఆఫ్ చేశాను అనుకోండి, సో నా ఇంటికి పవర్ రాదు. అర్థమైందమ్మా. నా ఇంటికి పవర్ రాలేదనుకోండి, ఓకే, సో నో అదర్ particle the IoT enabled device could not be interacted with any other device. Okay, so like that the smart cities are building. Okay, so this is about vertical a power grid. Okay, so when you're going to see about how does the offices which are going to be located is like this. Okay, so think that this is our Shreyas college. ఏమన్నా మనకు ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ అడ్మిన్ ఆఫీస్ ఉంది, దాంతోపాటు ద సేమ్ వే రిసెప్షన్ ఆఫీస్. సో మళ్ళీ మనకి ఇక్కడ వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్, దే షుడ్ బి వేరియస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ లైక్ మనకంటే ఇక్కడ ఐటీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఉంది, పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సో అదే మనం కాలేజ్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, సిఎస్సి డిపార్ట్మెంట్, సిఎస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్. ఓకే, దేర్ everywhere there should be a systems, there should be a PCs. All the PCs are connected to the routers. Okay, all the PCs. Okay, so ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి ఫ్యాన్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకు విండోస్ ఉన్నాయి. Every device we need to control. Okay, so that's why this particular Cisco packet tracer is helpful. So can I build a smart city directly, okay, without taking any necessary steps and without taking any of the references? No. So that's why, okay, even the Cisco has, okay, so started the Cisco packet tracer, so design first, okay, it was succeeded. Okay, that's why they are they have been started the smart frame infrastructure. That is nothing but smart home infrastructure, smart grid, okay, even offices, and you're going to see about smart parking also. Okay, smart traffic. Okay, there is no policies. Okay, they are going to patrol to see whether the vehicles are moving properly with respect to the signals. Okay, they could not monitor. Okay, so directly there should be a normal traffic, okay, which is going to be done by the this particular packet tracer tool. Okay, so based on that we have some 3 to 4 or crossroads, means automatically the signaling will be takes place without need of the human. Okay, అసలు మనుషులు లేకపోతే మనకు జాబ్స్ అని ఎలా అంటారా, మనుషులు ఉంటారా, automation is there. Okay, instead of working 100 people, so 10 people they are going to work. Okay, remaining 90% of the work which will be done by the automation. Okay, so like that the technology is growing. Okay, but technology anta grow aina ganana, but they need network staff. Okay, so network తెలిసిన staff లేకపోతేనా, so this controlling is not at all easy. See that నాకు కొన్ని కార్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా, some my cars is moving around the speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, if they are going to cross 80 kilometers per hour means automatically the sensor which is going to alert the parking system as well as something else. So like that what happens, they are going to monitor the speed and everything. Okay, so with the help of the same design. Okay, so this is called smart traffic, and this is about smart parking. Okay, and we have seen about the city offices, and you can see about cloud also. How does we are going to access the so internet with respect to the each and every I said about smart grid, smart offices, okay, smart parking, and even cloud also. Okay, so that's why, okay, we have a central office server, we have a DNS server, okay, we have a cloud over there, okay, everything. So see that, so this is the way. Please wait ma. Yeah, okay, so this is the way our packet tracer is, okay, so helpful to so creative designs. Okay, once the design is successful, okay, how does we are going to say about it is successful? Okay, so every device in my smart home which is working. Okay, మీరు ప్రాపర్ చూసారంటేనా every device is working. Okay, now I want to open the windows also. When I'm going to open my smart window, so see that my window has been opened. Okay, so for that we are having a gateway routers. Okay, we're having some a cables between the each and every device. Okay, so this is the way we are going to provide a network design. Okay, so this is very high end nana, మీకు ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్లోనే ఫస్ట్ సెషన్లోనే ఈ నెట్వర్క్ మేము డిజైన్ చేస్తాం సార్, మేము now I'm going to ping the information from one location to one device on the device మీరు చెప్పచ్చు, but it's not easy. Okay, so even I have some knowledge on this Cisco packet tracer. I have tried many number of times to ping from this particular camera to some other main door entrance. Okay, how the people are moving. Okay, how does the information is gathering by the sensor devices. Okay, it will take some time, but we are not, we could not focus directly. Okay, I'm going to create this one, not like that. Okay, first of all, we are going to start by the tomorrow session onwards. We are going to start with the basic, then how to form a network first, how the way we're going to provide a communication between the 1, 2 and many other devices. Okay, by the same way. Okay, so this is the project. So actually I am going to convey. So not only this project, I'm having 4 to 5 projects. Okay, and I will teach you all the 4 and 5 projects. Okay, so based on that, okay, you people are start doing some new projects. ఓకే, సో మనకేంటంటే సపోజ్ మీకు ఏదైనా ఒక జాబ్ వచ్చి ఏదైనా ఒక కంపెనీకి నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ మీరు జాయిన్ అయ్యారనుకోండి. ఓకే, సో దేర్ ద మేనేజర్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ఆస్క్ అబౌట్ క్రియేట్ ఏ డిజైన్. Okay, suppose we are having 2000 pieces in our organization. So based on that, you are going to create a network design and you are going to execute and cheptannanu. So as a network engineer, what is your role? First of all, you are going to do the design in the packet tracer. If everything goes well, okay, it should be in realistic. If everything is not good, not goes well means, okay, you need to troubleshoot. Okay, so where does you are going to be lack to provide communication. Okay, so that is what that I'm going to tell you. So for the tomorrow session, what we are going to do is, so everybody has to, those who are having the PCs, okay, you people are going to install the Cisco Packet Tracer tool. As Srinidhi and that IEEE student branch, they have given the directions. Okay, first of all, you're going to provide, okay, so download Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, nowadays everybody is using that 64-bit computer. That's why, so some people are using Windows 10 or Windows 7, like that means, okay, you're going to download this particular, okay, Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so don't download 8 version. Okay, you can download 7.3 version. Okay, 8 version is completely fully enabled with the IoT. Okay, don't go with that version. You can go with the 7.3. okay, so you just open, or you can if you're having Cisco NetAcad ID means already we have created for the 3rd year students, and even we have created some of the final year students also. If you have that, directly you're going to be downloaded with the help of the NetAcad ID. Okay, hardly it should be 150 MB space. You can download it. Okay, and it is going to ask about NetAcad credentials. If you have, you just provide your username and password. If you don't have, okay, so please share your details to Srinidhi and Srija and Shubham Jaishwal. Okay, so for that I am going to create IDs for you. So you people are practice. You can practice. Okay, without an ID, this particular Cisco Packet Tracer does not opens. Okay, it requires Cisco authentication. That's why Cisco authentication means it requires username as well as password. So that's why to create a network design. Okay, so for the meanwhile, I am going to provide a sample design by within a few minutes. So afterwards, we are going to close the session, and tomorrow onwards, okay, so we can start with the actual curriculum. Okay, so that is nothing but how to design a sample network, how we are going to provide connections between the each and every device, then how we are going to provide IP addresses. Okay, ఇప్పటిదాకా మీరు చూసిన ప్రతి ఒక్క డివైస్ it has been responded. Okay, it has been responded. Okay, so because of it was we have created IPs for that. What is the meaning of IP? That is nothing but internet protocol. Okay, so we need internet facility to communicate all the devices. So that's why every device it requires an IP. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మీరు వెబ్కామ్ చూసారనుకోండి, వెబ్కామ్ కూడా ఐపీ కావాలి, మోషన్ డిటెక్టర్కి ఐపీ కావాలి, ఈవెన్ స్మార్ట్ డోర్ కూడా ఐపీ కావాలి. సో సీ దట్ టెక్నాలజీ ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి పోయిందో, దట్ ఓన్లీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఐపీ. సో దట్స్ వై ఇన్ ద కమింగ్ డేస్ ద నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్ రోల్ ఈస్ ఓకే జస్ట్ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనంతా డేటా సైంటిస్టులు, అలాగే ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్, వేరియస్ పొజిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదమ్మా. సో వాళ్ళతో పాటు ఈక్వల్గా నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్ రోల్ కూడా ఉంటుంది అన్న. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వై we are going to focus on a Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so this is in simulation mode. Then how we are going to design? So this particular in real time means, okay, so we need this particular packet tracer. By the meanwhile, we need an hardware equipment. So with that, we need another software in real time that is called PuTTY. Okay, PuTTY 2.0 version, 2.02 version. So what happens with the help of the PuTTY means, okay, we have a physical devices. Mandar PC undama. Okay, so ఈ PC ఏం చేయాలి, మిగతా నంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీసెస్ తో కూడా కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి విత్ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్టికల్ ట్విస్టెడ్ పేర్ కోయాక్సియల్ కేబుల్స్. Okay, so by the meanwhile, you're going to configure each and every device. What is the configurations? Okay, so that we are going to see on tomorrow class. Okay, we need to configure the IPs, and we are going to configure the switches. We are going to configure the routers also. Okay, so why you are going to configure these devices means, without configuration, so these devices cannot share the information. Okay, so with the help of PuTTY, okay, now we are in console mode. Okay, within the help of the console mode, we are going to configure all those devices. Okay, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to configure this PC, and even I'm in my organization, I'm having 1000 pieces means I'm going to configure in my vertical a server computer. That is nothing but administrator computer. So that is what the credibility of the vertical a network. Okay, for that what we need is PuTTY 2.0 version. ఓకే, ఈ PuTTY 2.0 వర్షన్ అంటే మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటున్నా, ఓన్లీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అయితే మనం ఏం చేయలేమన్నమాట. సో బట్ మనకి ఏం కావాలి, వి నీడ్ రియల్ టైమ్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ డివైజెస్. ఏంటి రియల్ టైమ్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ డివైజెస్ అంటున్నా, వీ హ్యావ్ ఏ రూటర్ కావాలి, సో దాంతోపాటు స్విచెస్ కావాలి, సో వాటితో పాటు యాక్సెస్ పాయింట్స్ కూడా కావాలి. ఓకే, దెన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ ఏ నెట్వర్క్. ఓకే, యాజ్ అన్ ప్యాకెట్ ట్రేసర్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిజైన్ లైక్ దిస్. But in real time, the same design in real time better. I need vertical along with the PuTTY software. We need real time routers, real time switches, and real time మనం చూసే ఇక్కడ solar panels, smart solar panels, home gateway, real time surveillance cameras, everything. Okay, everything that we needed. Okay, so this is what that I'm going to convey. So up to today. Okay, so but by the tomorrow, okay, so everybody has to install, okay, Cisco Packet Tracer software. Okay, so 64-bit, you can download it. Okay, I already said about, so please give our what you call, so email IDs to the IEEE student branch. Okay, so those who are having no issues, those who are not having the IDs means I am going to what you call provide the IDs. So you can give me the what you call details by today evening 7 o'clock, and by the tomorrow morning 10 o'clock, or tomorrow afternoon 2 o'clock. Okay, your ID will be ready. So based on that, you are going to download and you can access the Cisco Packet Tracer and start, okay, so doing something. Okay, so first of all, what you are going to do is, I'm going to what you call clear all these things. So please see here. Then how to clear, so this particular image is, okay, simply you are going to provide exit. Okay, so press yes or no. Okay, it will be closed. So once again, you're going to open the Cisco Packet Tracer tool here. Please stay. Please wait, so the packet tracer is loading. For and today, you people are those who are having IDs. Okay, you can start what you call exercise about a simple network. Okay, with the help of 2 or more number of pieces. Okay, it is going to take just a few more minutes. So please stay. Yeah. Okay, so this is not, I said I shared already. It is an workspace area. So from which we are going to what you call design a network. Okay, so as a introductory example, I am going to take very limited number of pieces. Okay, so see here. So we have a network devices here from the left hand side, and the second option is, okay, end devices. End device is nothing but PC, laptop, server, okay, IP phone and television. We have a tablet, smart devices, everything. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are going to take 2 pieces. Okay, this is the PC1. So this is the initially it is going to what you call naming with PC0, PC1, and I am going to hold what you call another PC. Okay, or else you are going to take ఓకే, విత్ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఓన్లీ 1 పీసీ. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే 2 పీసెస్ తీసుకోవాలి, అన్ఫార్చునేట్ ఏం చేశాను ఇక్కడ 3 పీసెస్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద సింబల్ టు రిమూవ్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ద అన్వాంటెడ్ డివైస్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ డిలీట్. ఓకే, చూడండి ఇక్కడ. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ లైక్ యారో లెఫ్ట్ యారో ఉంది, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ క్రాస్ బార్ ఉందన్నమాట. సో దాంతో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఇంటూ మార్క్ వస్తుంది, సింపుల్ క్లిక్ చేయండి, ఆటోమేటిక్ షుడ్ బి డిలీట్ ఆఫ్. ఓకే, దెన్ సో click this button, otherwise e people will be stuck here itself only. Yeah, okay, I have connected 2 devices. Okay, so nene em cheyali, I want to provide communication. Okay, I said about which type of communication I am going to provide, that is called with the help of the twisted pair coaxial cable. Okay, so where does I am going to identify my twisted pair coaxial cable means, okay, in the fourth symbol. చూడండి ఇక్కడ మీకు కింద కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా, నెట్వర్కింగ్ డివైజెస్, ఎండ్ డివైజెస్, తర్వాత వచ్చేసి సమ్ కాంపోనెంట్ డివైజెస్. ద ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఇస్ కనెక్షన్స్. ఓకే, సో వెన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు క్లిక్ ఆన్ కనెక్షన్స్, సో దీస్ ఆర్ మై వేరియస్ కనెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ కేబుల్స్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఆటోమేటిక్ కేబుల్. Okay, when you are going to click here and click here means automatically it is going to select what you call a default cable in between the 2 devices. Now what happens, what you call మీకేంటే మాకు జస్ట్ ఒక కనెక్షన్ ఓపెన్ అయిందన్న. సో ఆఫ్టర్ connecting the 2 devices, automatically it has been shown what you call green symbols. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి, automatically the power has been enabled. The power has been enabled to the both the pieces. Okay, now what you can do is you can share the data from directly from this PC to this PC. Okay, and I said earlier, okay, there is no environment will be so like this. 2 PCs direct ga ekkada kuda connect avunanu. Okay, so these are going to be connected with the help of the what you call networking devices like router. Okay, like some switch. చూడండి ఇక్కడ మీకు కింద కనిపిస్తాయి. Yeah, you can drag a switch like this. Okay, and you are going to connect. Okay, so please wait, I am going to show you. I am going to cancel what you call the cable between the 2 computers. Okay, and I am going to cancel the router also. Okay, so I am going to take what you call default connection and I am going to provide the link between the okay PC to switch. Okay, మీరు చూడండి కనెక్షన్ ఇవ్వగానే ఒక సైడ్ ఏమో అప్ అయింది, ఇంకో సైడ్ ఏమో okay, it is going to up, that is called RN symbol. Okay, and another end also I am going to provide PC1 to switch. So this side also same thing. Okay, what I am going to do is I am going to provide vertical communication between the 2 devices. Okay, ఈ రెండు గ్రీన్ అయ్యేంత వరకు అయినా we need to wait. లేదు సార్ ఆ రెండు గ్రీన్ అయ్యేంత వరకు మేము వెయిట్ చేయాలంటే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే, సో హియర్ we have some option that is called timing అని కనిపిస్తుంది మీకు ఇక్కడ 3.5.5. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనకు ఫార్వర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ కనిపిస్తున్నాను, ఒకటి ఎనేబుల్ అయింది. ఓకే, when I'm going to click, so that also enabled. Okay, now the network is ready. Okay, PC0 has to share the data to PC1. Okay, so how I am going to send my data? Okay, so in order to sending the data, when I'm going to open the computer means nothing you're going to get. Okay, nothing you're going to get. Okay, so that what you are going to do is you are going to configure this PC. Okay, how you are going to configure this PC means with the help of an IP address. Okay, so click on desktop once again. So click on PC0 and click on desktop. So here there should be IP configuration. Okay, and here you are going to provide a static IP address. Already మీకు థర్డ్ ఇయర్ కి తెలిసి ఉంటుందన్న, బట్ ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ కూడా కొంతమంది తెలిసి ఉండొచ్చు. సో IP in everywhere we are going to use 192.168.1.1 or something else. Okay, so when you're going to provide this particular IP address, automatically the subnet masking also takes place. What is this IP, what is subnet masking, that we are going to see on tomorrow. By the same way I'm going to configure this PC also. Okay, so configure, this time I'm going to provide a different address, not about the same address. Why? Because these are the 2 different devices. It is 192.168.1.2. Okay, so now I am going to share my information. So how I am going to share my information means this is called PDU. ఇక్కడ మీకు ఇక్కడ మెసేజ్ సింబల్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, this is called PDU, protocol data unit. Okay, so click here. Now the data has been sent. ikana acknowledgement వచ్చింది మా data send అయిందని? No. Okay, so in the right hand side simulation, when you are going to click, see here all of you, when you are going to click this left arrow means it has shown successful. Okay, PC0 has been shared the information to PC1. Okay, so how we are going to see in real time mode means, so go to simulation mode, so cancel here, so click PC0 to PC1. Okay, and play the control buttons. So there you are going to see about how the data is moving between the two devices. Okay, once the data will be goes to the PC1 as a PDU. So once the acknowledgement is ready, okay, next time we are going to send the data. Okay, so this is the way we are going to sharing the information. Okay, so this practice, okay, you're going to do today, and tomorrow we're going to see about what you call many more what you call with the help of many number of pieces, and tomorrow we're going to create a LAN network, and we're going to take tomorrow as an one of the example, one of the project, and that we are going to solve tomorrow. Okay, so this is for up to today. Okay, any doubts? Okay, so the session is open. Okay, you can ask for any doubts. Yes. Yes, Srinidhi, just over for the doubts. Any doubts for the vertical participants? Just you can have a session. Okay, so now this I'm going to provide five minutes time. Okay, ma. So for the open doubts, if you have any doubts, okay, ma. So raise your hand and just ask about Nana.
Sir, 8 is
Yeah,
not
ma.
okay.
Pardon, Nana?
Version 8 is not okay.
No, ma. Just you can download, but that is the IoT enabled. Ante meeku కొన్ని protocols work అవ్వవు. That's why. Okay, why? Because now we are in first class. Okay, మనం ఇంకా protocols దాకా పోలేదు. So by the Thursday or Friday we are going to talk about more concepts, more on protocols. Okay, కొన్ని protocols work out అంతే. Okay, that's why you are going to download 7.3. Yeah.
If we have already downloaded, we can continue with the 8.
Yeah. No issue, ma. 8 you can download. No issue.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
7.22.
Okay, ma. 7.7 onwards you can download anyone. No issue. Version 7 onwards you can download any. Yes, anything? Yes. Any other doubts? So yeah, Srinidhi. So shall we close the session for today?
Sir, 1 second, sir. Some people are asking doubts in chat box. So
Okay. Sir, why do we need simulation before networking? Yeah, obviously. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి మనం ఏంటి డైరెక్ట్గా మీకు మీ మేనేజర్ పీసీస్ ఇచ్చేసి డైరెక్ట్గా బిల్ చేయగలుగుతావా? లేదు. యూ హ్యావ్ సమ్ ప్రాపర్ వర్టికల్ ఐడియా బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్స్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్. సో దట్స్ వై మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఫస్ట్ ప్యాకెట్ ట్రేసర్ చేస్తారు. అదేనమ్మా. సో ఈ వన్స్ ప్యాకెట్ ట్రేసర్ ఇస్ రెడీ మీన్స్ తర్వాత మీకు వర్క్ చేయడం చాలా ఈజీ అయిపోద్ది అనమాట. ఓకే, ప్యాకెట్ ట్రేసర్లో ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసుకోవడం దట్ వాస్ సమ్వాట్ కాంప్లెక్సిటీ. వన్స్ ద ప్యాకెట్ ట్రేస్ ఇస్ రెడీ, నౌ వీ షుడ్ గో టు ద రియల్ టైం. రియల్ టైంలోకి వెళ్ళి సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా మీకు ఎంత కేబుల్ కావాలి, ఎన్ని డివైజెస్కి ఏ ఐపీస్ కూడా ఇచ్చేస్తారో మీరు ముందుగానే ప్యాకెట్ ట్రేసర్ చేసుకుంటారు. అదేమ్మా. లేదు మీరు ప్రాపర్గా ప్యాకెట్ ట్రేసర్తో పోకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా మీరు వెళ్ళారనుకోండి, ఐపీస్ దగ్గర చాలా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. ఓకే, దేర్ షుడ్ బి రూటింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆల్సో ఓవర్ హియర్. That's why. What is remote logic? It's not logic. Login. Okay, I am going to control tomorrow. I will show you how I am going to control your device also. Okay, remotely. Okay, so that is with the help of any other third-party tools. That is nothing but remote login. That is nothing but RDP protocols, remote desktop protocols. Yes. Any other doubts?
I would request participants to come with the doubts. Many people have messaged me regarding type of projects that can be done on Cisco Packet Tracer. So if you have any doubts, I would request participants to ask now.
Okay, no issue, ma. So we'll do one thing. So tomorrow I'm going to allocate, okay, so 10 to 15 minutes time for the doubts. Okay. So based on that, we are going to continue, or else.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Nana. So thank you for everyone. So for this vertical inaugural session, and tomorrow onwards, we are going to completely on handstands. Okay, handstands for the various projects.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.